So it's May 18, and some of my grape plants have budded out, and there are a few that are, let's say, lazy. But it's really not that is lazy. Here in Seattle, we just had a couple days of nice warm weather, and my potted plants are in a not an ideal location. Partial sun, it's quite slow to leaf out. So is it alive or is it dead? So let's check it out. There's no green bud at all. But to me, it's not dead. But I like to show you how you can tell. You can see that. Obviously, it's brown right there. That part is dead, yes. But if you cut it a little bit, you'll be able to see it's green. I have to do this with one hand, so please bear with me. Hold on, let me show you. It's easier to see. It is alive. You can tell right there. If you're to cut in, these are prune marks from last year.
When it's dead, you need to cut it?
Yeah, we cut out the dead stuff.
Oh.
You see, if you cut it and it's brown, that part can be cut a little bit more to the next nod.
Yeah, Mom.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
See, it's very green.
Yeah.
So basically, it's just slow to leaf out,
Yeah,
not dead.
Yeah, Mom.
So don't pull your grape vine. Just wait. We need more heat to get it to be alive.
When it's